This is why you need to join us in this powerful prayer today. Let's ignite peace and unity through the love of Jesus Christ. Envision a world where hearts are united, overflowing with love and harmony. That's the world we can manifest through the transformative power of prayer. Today we're calling on you to join millions of Christians worldwide in a heartfelt prayer for peace and unity. No matter where you are or who you are, your voice is a beacon of hope. Together we can create a ripple of change. Through Jesus Christ, we have the strength to illuminate the darkest corners and bring hope to the hopeless. So, let's take a moment. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and join us in this beautiful act of faith. Because when we unite in prayer, miracles unfold. Join the world in a prayer for peace. Let's spread love and unity, one heartfelt prayer at a time.